see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2021 Mustang GT. So right now we're gonna be meeting up with the homie Sammy. Some of you guys might know him from some of the other videos. He drives the 2018 Mustang 5.0. It's also a 10-speed, and we're gonna be getting some runs with them. Both of the cars are pretty similar. Both of us are pretty much stock besides a catback. I've got the MBRP catback, and he has the Corsa. But yeah, stock tune, stock airbox, all that stuff. And his is the performance package, so he's got different gears. I believe they're 355s, and mine's just the base, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna mine's got the 315s, I believe. So we're gonna be getting a run, see how the cars do. I think he'll probably pull on me, and then maybe my car will reel it back in on the top end, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll pick up the camera again once I meet up with him, and show you guys his car, and we'll get the video going. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so here they are. This is the homie Sammy's car, 2018 performance pack, 10 speed, and then mine 2021, just a base, 315 gears and 355s. So both of the cars, like I said, they're completely stock, besides he's got the Corsa and I've got the MBRP catback. That's it. Both still not tuned, stock airboxes, all that stuff. He probably has the advantage right now with the better tires, because I got the shitty 235s. But yeah, it should be a good run. Like I said, maybe I think he's gonna pull off at first, take the lead, and then maybe I'm probably gonna reel it up. But we'll see. We're gonna head over to the spot in Mexico, throw on the GoPro real quick, and then we'll get the video going. Let me know before we get the video going which one you guys think is gonna take it, blue or white. Let's get it. right, guys, well, those were the runs. Let me know what do you guys think. Is that what you guys were thinking was gonna happen, or did you guys think the blue one was gonna pull more, or that I was gonna pull more? That's kind of what I originally thought was gonna happen. I was gonna get him on the top end, and then down low he was just gonna pull on me. That was sick though. Like I said, both of the cars pretty much same exact mods, just the catback so far. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.